In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a hanging indent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hanging indents can help you format your text in a way that's both professional and easy to read, which is particularly useful in presentations when you're aiming to emphasize certain pieces of information. First things first, let's begin by opening up PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, start by locating and launching the program just as you normally would. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll want to navigate to the presentation you're working on. Ensure the correct file opens up on your screen. Now that your presentation is ready, locate the paragraph of text where you want to apply the hanging indent. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. This step is important because your formatting changes will only affect the highlighted section. With your text now selected, direct your attention up to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll find various categories there, but you should go ahead and click on the Home tab. This tab holds most of the text formatting options you'll need. Within the Home tab, direct your eyes toward the paragraph section. You'll notice a small icon in the lower right corner. It looks like a tiny diagonal arrow pointing downwards, which opens additional settings. Click on this small paragraph dialog box launcher. Once you've clicked on that, a new window will pop up, presenting you with a variety of paragraph formatting options. Your focus should be on the section labelled before text. Here, you'll need to set the indentation level. Type in 0.5 to specify how far you want the indent to be. This half-inch indentation is a standard size that will ensure your text looks polished and professional. Next, within the same window, look for the section labelled Special. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a few choices. From this list, select Hanging. By doing so, the first line of your selected paragraph will stay aligned with the left margin, while the subsequent lines are indented according to the measurement you set earlier. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully applied a hanging indent to your paragraph. This formatting trick can make your text stand out and improve readability in your slides. Remember, hanging indents are particularly handy when dealing with bibliographies, lists, or any scenario where you want to visually separate the first line from the rest for clarity and emphasis, so feel free to try it out on different sections of your presentation and experiment with various text so it best complements your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your PowerPoint skills. Happy presenting,